Today in this video we will learn how to make this icon box dynamic. So first of all, go to your code editor. Inside your code editor, over in this sections part, add a new section. I will name it as icon box. Now first of all, change the name of your schema. I'm setting it as icon box. Then add presets to your schema. Presets have two parameters. First one is its name. I will name it as icon box. And then second parameter is of category. So I will again name it as icon box. Now above your schema, over here, we will place an HTML code for icon box. Now you can see that there are four icon boxes, four icons. This is first one, second one, third one, and fourth one. So in order to add as many icons as we want, we will use a for loop. For for loop, instead of settings, over here we will write blocks. And inside block, first of all, we will write its name. That would be icon box. Then another parameter, name is type. Like I'm just setting it as text. And then at last we will add settings. So now over here we will add a for loop. For block in section dot blocks, and we will end our for loop over here. End for. Now just keep the code for one icon and delete the rest of icons. Now if we expand it, over here you can see that this is, first of all you will make it dynamic. Just copy it over here. Inside our settings, add type text. Type is text. Its label is, I'm setting it as heading. Its ID would be HD, and at last default value. And just place the copied value over here, that is free shipping. Now instead of this, write block dot settings dot ID, that is HD in our case. Now for this description, just come here and add header entry with same parameters. First one is its type, that is text. Then comes label. There is description. I will set it ID as DESC, and at last default value. So I will just cut it from here, and over here I will write block dot settings dot id, that is DESC, and in this default section I will just paste this value. Now we have to make an icon dynamic, and you can see that this class is responsible for adding icons. So I'll just cut it, and over here I'll write block dot settings dot icon. Now I will make schema for this icon. That would be like just add it above everything over here. So first one, type, that is text, then it's label, edit icon, then it's ID, which I set it as icon, and last one is its default. Now we are done with everything, so just save your code. Now if we open our customizer, inside our customizer, at last there is an option of add section. Search the name of your section, that was icon box. You can just set its location wherever you want it. I just want it below my animation box. Now you can see this option of add icon. This is because of the for loop we added. Just go there, and now you can see that I have been added with this icon. So add as many as you want. So I'm adding 4 icons. Now you can change the name of your icon and heading and description. So let's say I want to make it money. For third I want a clock. And for last I want gift. You can also add more icons as much as you want, but in our case we are okay with 4 icons. So now just save it, and we are done with our icon part.